Now we're taking the record out, and what we do is, by the way, when we take the record out, we wobble it just a bit, and then we will put it onto this pad comes standard, so you normally put this on the pad. So put this on the pad. As you can see, I can use the brush. We suggest you buy the optional support, which now suspends the record onto the work area. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to do it first, and afterwards we'll have Mr. Lee do the second. So I do 12 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 4 o'clock. We provide you with 2 of these cloths. This one here, I'm going to hold the record, and I'm going, you see, look, there's something that already has come out of the record. Look, white or a grease. This normally does not appear on the first cycle because the record and the water, same charge. So this record was very badly coated. Someone cleaned this record with another system because there's already material. So I changed the charge of the record. So in theory, what will happen, the next cycle in the machine and out, we'll see lots more white. So again, 12 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Look, white, greasy. See that? There's a material that's coming out. Look, this means that there is a coating on the record that the ultrasonic has softened. Okay? So I brush this in. So we're not cleaning, we are changing the charge of the record. This brush is telling me what the ultrasonic did in the previous cycle. So here, if we take a look at the machine, I use another cloth, just remove the water, and then here you can press the start. I'll press the start for you, and you can drop the record in. Okay, good. Perfect. And as you see, it comes in nicely 90 degrees. So now we're going to let this run until 5 minutes occurs. So of course I can also do 3 LPs at the same time. So to show you what we're doing, we're now just going to let this work. So as this is running, what happens is we have even cavitation from the edge of the record to the dead wax area here. We have even cavitation on both sides. That is what is being attracted now to the record. Without changing the charge of the record, as in some other ultrasonic machines, it does nothing. They're either bubblers or they're ultrasonic, but they repel the water. You need water to create the cavitation and the wave that's being attracted to the record. So this record became positive, and as it turns, it goes back to negative. That's why we need to do another cycle.